Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this ANDYCINE Universal Smartphone Video Vlogging Kit 4-in-1 combo. That's the thing here in the box. That's the front and that's the back. There's not so much information here on the box. The model type is VK-1, but let's open it and see what we get. And of course, I'm going to test this for you and I'm letting you know how good I think this is. I'm also going to record something on the video and play for you so you will know how good the quality of the microphone is. And so this is what we get. Here we get some instructions manual. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe it's focusing nicely now. Also the other side, so you can get even more information. And so instead of a 4-in-1 we have a 10-in-1 here. It's very comprehensive. It starts with this tripod and it's a really solid design. You can see it's very sturdy plastic, not cheap plastic, and we cannot just normally open. We have this push button here which we can push inside and then we can make it even wider, so we have even a more safe stand, especially for heavy cameras. That's really huge advantage. And we can also hold it like this as a selfie stick. Of course the best is to use this ball head. By the way, what's interesting here, of course we have this standard tripod adapter, so you cannot only use this thing, you can use basically everything. I mean, this is intended to be used with this phone holder clip, but you can basically use it for everything, like even for a GoPro. But of course in this case we are going to use the ball head which is attached or comes with this set. And we can see we also have a mount here on the side. So this thing seems to be super flexible. And after mounting it, of course, we get another standard tripod mount. And then we can attach the phone holder. And the phone holder can be expanded by pushing this button here. And you can see you can make it pretty wide. So it should fit actually for almost all the phones which I've ever seen. I mean, this is super large. You don't have to be worried that your phone won't fit here. And then you just push it down to squeeze it and hold it tight. And here we can lock and unlock it, and you can see how flexible this is. So we can basically move it around, turn it to all the sides. We can also turn it around 360 degrees. I can tell you this is super hard to find in this class here of such products. And then we get this USB-C charging cable which we can use to charge this nice video light. And while we are charging the video light, I can show you the rest of the things. Here we get the microphone already with the windscreen mounted, but we can also use another one here. Let's say this one, especially for outdoor. So I'm going back to this one for now. And we get also this shock mount holder which can help a lot to avoid any strange noise on the microphone. And then it's important to use the right 3.5mm cable. We get two of them, and one is more suitable for cameras and the other one is more suitable for smartphones. And this is because we have this 4-pin connection here. The 4 pins are needed because usually smartphones have input and output and cameras have only input, so 3 pins are enough for cameras. The video light now is fully charged. As you can see, it didn't take too long to charge this video light. The good thing is it's not only very powerful battery inside, it is also powerful charging with 2 amps, which is 10 watts. Really impressive charge for such a small video light. And so we can turn it on with a long press. We see all the information what we have, and we can change everything here regarding the strength. We can increase or decrease the strength. It has this nice wheel. It's not an analog wheel, it's a digital wheel, but it works pretty fast. That's what we want to see. And on this side we can change the different light settings. And it's also magnetic, so you can put it everywhere where you have some metal. And as you can see, we have many different modes. We have the 360 degrees different colors which you can change like this. And we have also many predefined settings which you can use. And then we have this Kelvin change, and it has a very impressive range from 2500 up to 9000 Kelvin, which is a huge range. And not only the Kelvin range is impressive, also the brightness is very impressive. We can start at 1%. I can't remember that I have seen any video lights so low. That's really good. And then from there we can increase it, of course, till 100%, which is super bright. And to mount the phone, we just put the phone here and push this bracket down, and we can see it has a very safe hold. And then we mount the video light on top of the camera, and on top of the video light we mount the microphone. And now we are ready to shoot our first professional video with this whole set, and you can see it's still very stable even when it's very high. So I'm back here after a lot of testing, and not only testing it here in the original set, but also testing this microphone with the latest GoPro. And that was a big surprise that the ANDYCINE microphone is much better than the built-in microphone of the original GoPro media mode, because media mode, yeah, it always sounds like recording in a telephone booth, and this was way better here, much more natural, and also has very good sensitivity. But of course, let's go back now to the original set, how it's supposed to work, and this was really working really good. After I connected the microphone here to the phone, it automatically started picking up the voice from the microphone, and the microphone is really good. I can tell you, I've done a sample recording and I'm going to play that now for you so you can listen to that. This is now the microphone test from the front, and this is the microphone test from one side. This is the microphone test from the back. This is the microphone test from the other side, and here we are back to the front. So you heard the good quality and also the difference between when we are recording from the front or from the side or from the back. So we can cancel out quite some noise. And also I'm going to play you the difference now from this microphone ANDYCINE to the GoPro. Microphone test with the external ANDYCINE microphone on the new GoPro. I've unplugged the microphone, so it should use now the media mode microphone from the GoPro. So I hope you heard the difference. It's quite some improvement here, really good quality, easy to use. I think it has really natural tone. It picks up the voice really good, also good sensitivity. What I also noticed here when I compared these two tripods here we have soft rubber feet underneath, has really good safe stand. Here with this one here, it's moving around absolutely unsafe. So everything is working really good, top to bottom, the whole thing, the whole set, really good quality. So I'm super happy with it and I can highly recommend it. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.